So here I am at the bottom of Cooper's Hill. I was just at the top, but now I'm at the bottom. At least I didn't roll down it, because who would want to do that? That's crazy. But people do. It doesn't look that steep from this angle, but people break their bones rolling down this hill to catch a wheel of cheese. That's the British for you, isn't it? But I'm not here to tumble down a hill. Instead, I'm here to climb a few, and instead go and do some woodland photography at Cooper's Hill Woods. Here we go. It didn't take me long to find my very first subject, this incredible tree, or group of trees, fighting for space on this hill. I quickly got to playing around with some composition ideas, debating whether to go for a wide scene or more close-up and personal. So I've decided to go with my standard zoom lens for this shot. What I'm going to do is zoom in close to these tree roots on the ground leading up to the trunk of the tree, and to the right here we've got this hole in the trunks in between these two trees, and I'm going to cut out the tree on the right, but in the hole you can see this tree stump. It's also very dark in here. You probably can't tell on the camera, but it's quite dark in here today, and so I'm using a tripod as I'm going to need to use a slower shutter speed to get as much light in the image as possible. I'm using the center column on my tripod because I'm on a slope, and unfortunately it's not quite tall enough to get everything in shot. But luckily it's not windy up here, so I won't have any problems with vibrations. This is probably the best tree I have ever seen in my life, and I think we've got a cracking first shot that I'm really excited about. The trees in these woods are very ancient and gnarly looking, and it's very exciting to photograph. It's very ethereal, kind of Lord of the Rings sort of feel. All of a sudden we went from Lord of the Rings to Jurassic Park. It's Jurassic Park, it's a massive park. What could possibly go wrong? Honestly, today was more of a scouting day at Cooper's Hill Wood, but I'm very pleased and excited to come away with an image that I didn't think I was going to capture today. I think Cooper's Hill Wood gave me the best tree first, so anything after that just didn't seem to compare. Thank you for watching today. If you would like to join me on my next photography adventure, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.